Guys, if you need a quick caffeine boost or a place to chill down or cool down here in Cebu City, naami bag-o na discover nga coffee shop. And I would say this is a perfect place kay accessible gid kayo. The parking is just right in front of you. Naara gid siya sa entrance dapit sa J Mall of Cebu. This is actually their first branch in Cebu. Mao dinhi ang coffee bar, homegrown in Davao City. Na-amaze ko silang menu kay there's actually a lot of coffee concoction. Naabagay dessert coffee like the vanilla affogato. Kunya na sa coffee cocktail, so alcoholic coffee. Grabe no, mong ningon ko nga perfect siya nga place kay from breakfast, lunch, or dinner, naagid sila ika-offer. Bisag mga snacks just like this one. So we have here the pasta, na sila clubhouse sandwich, and salads. So ato ning pang tilawan karon. So guys, mo din ang ilang meaty clubhouse. They're using wheat bread ug nasay potato. Let's check this out. This is some of their pasta option. So we have here the carbonara, grabe ka creamy. And I would really say nga, lami ilang mga pagkaon dere. In my opinion and in my standard if you're on a healthy option, na sila salad, o nasa sila healthy meal. So na broccoli, and you have the beef. Perfect kay ni sa mga nagdaya to. Unya barato ra pag yun ni sila. You can enjoy a cup of Americano for just 120 pesos lang. I will really recommend this coffee shop. Unya tambay niya mo diri ha.